What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little knife unboxing to do with you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Make my usual one slice, and then I just rip it open with my hands, you know? And why do it any other way? That seems to be the most efficient way to do it. Okay, we have a huge black box, and is there anything else in here? There's nothing else in here. Okay, mysterious. What do we have in this black box? I love adding theatrics to things. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's an artisan cutlery. High quality, precision crafted knife. I would agree. My experience with artisan cutlery has been positive so far, so I'm excited about that. The usual tin. It's kind of neat. These tins, you know, where there's so many zipper pouches in the world right now. Artisan Cutlery is doing something different with a tin, so that's cool. Oh, there is a zipper pouch. You get a zipper pouch and a tin. Okay, that's still cool. You know, open this up. No idea what this is. I can tell you this, before I open the knife, people are like, come on, open it. Before I open the knife, this is 99 to 100%. In fact, I know it's sent from the pass around group. I just can never remember the names of the models. So when we do the full review of this knife, I promise I'll get the model right. But I do not know what it is. Oh, cool. Okay. So this is one of those that has one of those blade shapes that I don't know that, whether or not I could justify. Oh, man. Okay. First off, Artisan Cutlery, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, they did watch my video on the Orthodox, which had that cleaver style blade, and I said it had that mush detent. This does not. This has a nice feeling, typical frame lock detent and a nice action. Look at that blade and choil. Oh, cool. What is this material here? Is this carbon fiber? Yeah, that's carbon fiber. Nice piece of carbon fiber with a countersunk steel liner underneath. Pillar construction. Nice contoured. By the way, this is contoured. Contoured titanium steel lock bar insert. What kind of steel? S35VN. Nice. God, that tip is a splinter getter. Man. So these knives are made in China, but Artisan Cutlery, they're an up-and-comer. Definitely. Really nice detent on this guy. This is an awesome knife. And it is actually, it's a small knife that I can get my hand all the way around. You know, we'll talk about that more when I do the review, but that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so please check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks for watching and have a great day.